How to schedule TikTok screen time breaks. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to schedule TikTok screen time breaks. But before I do, please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Okay, so to schedule screen time breaks on TikTok, first make sure you've updated the app to the newest version. Then open up the TikTok app on your mobile device and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner to take you to your profile. Next, tap on the menu icon in the top right hand corner and then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and select Digital Wellbeing. Now select Screen Time Breaks. At the bottom, tap on Schedule Break. Now you can choose how much uninterrupted screen time you want to allow yourself before being reminded to take a break. You can choose 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or tap on Custom Time to choose anywhere up to 60 minutes. Once you've selected your screen time break reminder frequency, you can go back to using TikTok as normal. Once you hit that amount of time spent on the app, you'll be reminded to take a break from your screen. You can then tap snooze to be reminded again in 10 minutes or tap OK to dismiss this reminder. And that's what it takes to schedule screen time breaks on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.